In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. So the first step is to simply go to paypal.com or simply open the PayPal app on your mobile device and then simply click on wallet. Now here you're gonna see all your bank accounts, your all your credit cards. So first of all, you're gonna have to link bank account. So simply click on that, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your IBAN number and then simply click on agree and link. Now the next step is to simply click on transfer money, and then you're gonna have to select transfer to your bank, and then you're gonna have to simply choose the amount that you want to transfer and the bank account that you just linked. Now as you can see, I get this error because I don't have any money right now in my PayPal balance, but if you have money, you're gonna be able to select the bank account that you just added. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.